Hi, it's Eric Lee with VSP Developments, and today I want to show you our latest townhouse project, 12 at Norquay. Let's go inside.
Hi, I'm Jenna Ascension with VSP Developments, and I am the development team lead. This is our recently completed project, 12 at Norquay Park in the Renfrew Collingwood area. It's 12 units stacked townhouse. And this project was unique and special in the sense that we were involved in the design, coordinating with the architects and all of the consultants, also the interior designers. The biggest advantage to having design, build, and development all collaborated together is really from an efficiency standpoint. You know, when everybody's working in-house, sometimes there are some design questions that with our background in design we can answer, and we can just go and check it, make sure that it's okay with the consultants. You really pick up a lot of time in that sense. We really believe in an integrated approach. So from the early acquisition stage, we work with the design team and the marketing and sales team to ensure that our project is well absorbed and received in the market. An integrated approach really helps to manage time, budget, and investor expectations because we really work closely with everybody from the design, the contractor, to make sure that we're keeping an eye on the cost and making suggestions as appropriate. So another example of how an integrated process can overcome challenges, for example, limited space, is working with the sales and marketing team and all of the consultants, including our in-house designers, to really make sure that we're speaking to the market. In this area, young families. Having 3 bedrooms was really important. And in 3 bedrooms in 1,000 plus square feet can feel small, a little bit tight, but we wanted to make it feel spacious, and by achieving that, we gave tall ceilings, tried to maximize light, and a lot of people who walked through this space just felt like it was a very efficient layout.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Tan. I've been senior designer with VictorEric for 10 years now. For development projects, it's very important to have a good design. So the challenge of this project is how small is the leased square footage. As a designer, we are trying to our best to design maximum space to footprint we have. In this footprint, you can see we try to our best to fit in a 3 bedroom and a 2 bathroom. It's not just only squeezing as many footprint into the space, it's how you make it feel spacious.
So I hope you liked that sneak peek. It's been my absolute pleasure to show you what we do here at VSP Developments and VictorEric Design.